Paul, I've got the Blackbird for you. I'm going to show you a little bit of the paintwork. The paintwork's actually in really stunning condition, as you can see there. I have noticed a few more little marks on it that I didn't mention over the phone, which I will show you in this video. Just going around it all, wheels are in good condition. Got a couple of little light scratches on it and a bit of paint flake away, but for what it is, this bike is really cheap. With only 14,000 miles on it, it's 1998. Couple of marks there, scratch. Few little stone chips down here. But that is towards the belly side of the bike, so gonna get a few stone chips on there. Bit of engine casing. This mirror has a mark there. Looks like he's tried patching it in at some point. A few little grazes and that on the mudguard. Around this side. Tank yet again, spot on condition. Coming down this side. Really nice condition. Engine casing, looks like it's been painted over. Exhausts. Give it a little fire up for you. I've just had it running for a little bit, so it was just fairly warm.